Hey, yo, what's a dollar amount that you need to start making right now per year that's gonna make you happy, that you're gonna feel like a success? I want you to think about that dollar amount right now. How much is it? How much money do you need to make to feel successful? You got the number in your head? Okay, good. Now I want you to erase that number. I want you to throw it in the trash, and I want you to set the trash on fire. As long as you're going to be dreaming, I want you to dream big. I want you to take that number, times it by 10, or better yet, times it by 100. When you can stop putting limitations on how well you think you can do, you're gonna find you're gonna do a lot better than you thought. I'd much rather have you miss a target that was increased by 10 or better 100 by say 50%. Let's say you only get halfway there. Then you limiting your beliefs and missing on that smaller number. I want you to think about what you need to make, times it by 100, and let's rock. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.